Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. On my channel you can find lot of videos related to hauls and reviews. Like I have lot of playlists like new launches, comparison videos, then I have other review videos of makeup and skincare. If this is what you are looking out for, then definitely do consider subscribing my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since it is absolutely free, if you want, even you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. And if you do not want to comment under the video, or maybe you want to send me directly any message, then definitely the link of the Instagram will also be given in the description box, so don't forget to check that as well. Now from the title and from the thumbnail, y'all must have come to know that today I am going to not exactly review, I'm going to share my thoughts on the new launch product which is from NYBay. It is this product. It is their NYBay High Island Eye Pencil. It is a new launch product. Now you will say High Island, it's like NYBay has lot of this kind of products. Then how come this is the new launch? Then I had called up Purple. When I saw this product on Purple's website, I called up customer care of Purple and I checked with them. They said this product is launched in December 2nd week of 2020. So this is recently fairly new product. Now this is their eye pencil. Okay, that is you can use on the eyelids. I don't know whether you can use this on your waterline because these do contain shimmers. So I am not sure, because even Purple do recommend to use it on your eyelids, not on the waterline. And this is like 0.8 gram. The net content is 0.8 gram and the retail price of the same is 179 rupees. But as you all know, Purple do run lot of sales, and even without sale also Purple do have lot of offers also. So if you buy during that time, so definitely you will get a lot of discounts, and I will give you my referral code also in the description box. Also it will be pinned in the comment section. So if you will use my reference code, you will get some more discount on your order. So that is why, if you can use, it's up to you. Okay, this is for, as I told you, this is for 179 rupees. In this they have launched total 6 shades, and I have basically, you all can see the boxes, I have all 6 shades right now. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just swatch all the 6 shades right now on my hands, as well as I'll try to put up the clippings in the end of the video so that you'll have the idea. I will not swatch like one on 2 eyes. What I'll do is I'll swatch one on one eye, second on other eye, and I'll try to like write the names also if possible. If not, then the names will also be given in the description box and it will be as per the swatches, so you all can check that out. The first will be left hand swatch and then the second. So on my left, 1 2 3 4 5 6, it will be mentioned in the description box, so don't every time check the description box, you will have the proper idea. Okay, so shade number 1, shade number 2, shade number 3, 4, 5 and 6, that way. So now what I'll do is I'll just give you the brief about the product itself. It is this kind of a black pencil. One second, let me see. Okay, sorry. Okay, it is this kind of a black pencil. Okay, it is with matte finish. They have the cap also black. Okay, it is a wooden pencil. The sharpener doesn't come with this. Okay, each and every detail is given over here, as well as the shade number sticker is given over here. You all can see the sticker. Okay, it is not written, it is the sticker, right? Okay, each and every detail, as I told you, the NYBay high on the eye pencil, High Island Eye Pencil, made in Italy. Okay, the net content is everything is given, as well as the manufacturing and the expiry is also given on this particular product. So if you want to throw away this carton, definitely you can throw away, you can just keep this because every detail is given, but you have to sharpen, as I told you, and sharpener doesn't come. Each and every eye pencil is color coded, you all can see. So if you have, like me, 6 shades, like you can see, all 6 shades are color coded. So if you have just kept in your box or somewhere in your vanity, then definitely from the shade itself you all can come to know which shade you want to apply or which shade you want to go for. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just swatch all the shades for you right now. Okay, this is the shade number 1. It is high on green. Shade number This is the first shade. Okay. Now I'll swatch the second shade. This is High on Copper, shade number 2. This is the shade. It looks like this. I'll swatch here. This is very creamy, y'all can say. I already broke the nib. Y'all can see it is very creamy. So you have to be little careful while applying. I'll show you the swatch also. Okay, this is the swatch of second number. Now I'll show you the swatch of the third number. This is High on Golden. This is how it looks. I'll just swatch it here. I'm not sure whether the golden color will pick up or no. This is the third shade. Okay, High on Golden. Then I'll swatch the shade number 4. It is High on Cinnamon. Each and every shade is High on, and after that the shade name. This is the fourth shade. This is the fourth shade, High on Cinnamon. Okay. This is the fifth shade, High on Brown. Now I'll swatch it in next to cinnamon only. Cinnamon is basically with some sheen in that, and brown one is total matte. You can see brown. Okay, and now the last shade is the sixth number. It is High on Blue, shade number 6. You all can see. Okay, so these are the total 6 shades, and that is why, if you are wondering, that is why I have not applied anything on my eyes. What I'll do is, now I swatch 1, 2, 3, 4 accordingly. I'll show you, I'll put up the pictures, and then I'll come up with the final verdict. Yeah, now you all can see on my left I have applied High on Green, shade number 1, and this is shade number 2, High on Copper. I'll try to zoom you as much as I can. Alright, I have tried to do it, and I do not apply liner like this, but just to show you, I have applied in a thicker like way. Yeah, now on my left side I have shade number 03, High on Golden, and on my right hand side I have shade number 4, High on Cinnamon. Now I am pretty sure the cinnamon shade, that is the fourth number shade, is not at all actually visible on my eyelids, because I do have little bit darker eyelids, and if I try to conceal also, still I have darker eyelids, so I don't think this one is visible. So if you all are like my shade and my complexion, even if you have even darker eyelids, then definitely shade number 4 will not be visible. And I have tried to swatch as dark and as thicker as I can. So shade number 3, shade number 4. And if at all the swatches are not as per your expectations, then please don't call me. I am trying to do my level best to show you the swatches. Alright. Yes. Now this is the shade number 5, and this is the shade number 6. Shade number 5 is High on Brown, and shade number 6 is High on Blue. Now if you talk about my suggestion, brown shade looks very pretty. Yeah, you all can see I have applied in the thick liner way. You all can see brown is visible, but that cinnamon shade was not at all visible. Now the brown is visible, and now this is the, on my right, it is a High on Blue, but somehow that blue is transferring as of black. I cannot see like blue, I cannot see like dark blue or something. It looks to me exactly like similar to black. On the hand swatch it looks like brown, but over here it looks black. So this is the swatches for 5 and 6. Again, I'm telling you, I'm trying to do my level best. If at all there is any problem, definitely my hand swatches are there in the beginning of the video. You all can refer the hand swatches as well. See, now these are actually the swatches. Now what we will do, we will just you all can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the 6 shades are there already. I will just try to smudge it with my hands. These are my hand. Okay, it's plain, nothing is there. I will just try to smudge whether it is smudging or no, because I 100% do agree this is going to smudge. Yes. all the shades are smudging. I'll just show you. So all the shades are smudging. So definitely even this is not smudge proof. So yeah, I wanted to show you the smudge proof. Then waterproof test is not actually, like, you should not do, because even in with plain hand also it is smudging, then of course it is not waterproof. So waterproof test doesn't make any sense. So this is not smudge proof. That is what I wanted to just confirm. Yes, now you all have seen the final swatches and everything. Now you will tell me ki Meghna, tell us your final thought. Then definitely my final thought will be, this full range, the 6 shades, is pass. You don't have to buy this because the pigmentation is okay. The colors are also not extraordinary that you cannot find in some other other category or maybe some other brands. Definitely you can easily find, as well as it doesn't come with a sharpener. You have to find your own sharpener. It is a wooden pencil, so definitely see, wooden pencil has its own advantages as well as disadvantages, so we will not go into in detail of that. But definitely wooden pencil but without sharpener, and cost is around 179 rupees. But definitely during sale you can find, but let's say even 100 rupees also I feel it's a little bit costly, because green you can find in other range, brown you can find. They have given you 2 same kind of browns. Like, you do not require basically 2 same brown, light brown and dark brown. Like the person who has darker eyelids, then definitely this cinnamon shade will not even show up. Even this shade is hardly showing up. The golden shade is also, like, it shows up, but then golden shade we are not going to apply regularly and that frequently. Black shade, this brown shade looks exactly like black. So for me it's a pass. But if you want, definitely you can refer to the hand swatches. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the hand swatches. So if you are fairer, then definitely these all shades will look good on you. And if at all your opinion differs from my opinion, definitely do not call me for this, because each and everyone has their own opinion, has their own reviews. So yeah, that is what I thought, and this was actually even my first impression on this particular product. Even my first impression was not good, but still I will keep on trying this, and if at all my opinion changes or something, then I'll definitely let you all know. But first impression, no. Yeah, if you are watching till here, that means you are liking my content. If yes, give it a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. If you have any other video suggestions which you want me to make a video on, definitely that also you can drop down in the comment section, or else you can DM me as well. And share this video. As I told you, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, because it takes a little bit more effort to like swatch, wash, again swatch, wash. Please give one thumbs up. One person, one thumbs up. I'm not asking more, right? Thank you so much for watching. Bye.